Hello everyone. I'd like to share my latest project. I'm quite behind with my videos. I have 3 more to do. This one is called Flora, and with a little bit of Peter Rabbit. I used a digital journal kit by Vectoria Designs called Botanical with Peter Rabbit. And some Easter postcards, some digital magpie, botanicals, fussy cutting by Fur Mirage, nature definitions and random numbers by Love Junk Journals, and Dragonfly journal pages by Vintage by Me. It measures 5 1/4 inches wide, 8 inches high by 1 1/4 inch spine. There's 3 hand stitched signatures for a total of 96 pages. Inside I put a library pocket and library card from my Etsy shop. I did some collage. I made a tag this journal belongs to. I love the dragonflies, and there's just a little bit of Peter Rabbit. It gives it a little bit of an Easter look. All the Easter elements are loose, so they can be removed. Here is a vintage Easter card from 1908. And these tags can be used on Easter gift bags. There's only 3 of them in here. Here's one tag that I stamped. I have these tags in my Etsy shop. Just a variety of journaling pages. Lots of room for journaling, of course, which is usual with my journals. This envelope I stamped. See that little rabbit there? And inside is a journaling card. A side pocket with some digital postcards. Some fussy cutting here. That's parchment paper. Here are 3 envelopes. I didn't include anything, but again, if like sometimes if you can't give chocolates, some like to give a little bit of money, so, or a little gift card. Can go in those little envelopes there. There's some coffee stained paper. Another tag that I stamped, and I just love the back of it. Here's that bunny butt. This is vintage airmail paper. I was lucky to snag a full pad of that. Some more fussy cutting on drawing paper and collage. It's a nice little digital collection. Here is a glassine bag from my Etsy shop, and I did some fussy cutting. And here is some note paper. In the middle of this signature, there's pockets with some tags. These are from Vectoria Design. Same as these envelopes. They were a freebie. I'm not sure about the tags, if they were a freebie or not. Here's a journaling tag. Some note paper. There's an extra sheet here. And here just a little assortment of tickets. So as you can see, it's not, it doesn't scream Easter. Little corner tuck, some tags. Here are some stamping. And the last of these little tags here. Here's a sheet of stamps that be cut up and put in anywhere in the journal. Another side pocket with some fussy cutting and more Easter postcards that can be sent through the mail. Here is some note paper that I have. It's quite faint. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's a Peter Rabbit. There's a few of those there. Here what I did is I did some fussy cutting. There's a few pages of fussy cutting that I didn't include in the journal. I would leave that to the if it can be. Oh, there's that dragonfly. So it's all from the collection. Oops, that I did some fussy cutting, which can be put throughout the journal. Oops, there you go. And there's the, getting to the end of the journal. There you go. Thank you for watching. It'll be listed in my Etsy shop, and the link is below in the description box. And this is the back of the journal. Thank you. Bye-bye.